Ski pants are a foundational piece of winter performance gear, balancing warmth, weather protection, mobility, and durability. A solid pair can keep you dry and comfortable from first chair to last run, while a poorly designed pair can leave you damp, overheated, or restricted. In this review, I test and compare 5 popular options across a wide price spectrum to understand how fabric choices, soft shell, DWR-coated shells. Number 1. Arctic's Women's Insulated Snow Pants. The 1800 Arctic's Women's Insulated Snow Pants position themselves as a durable, value-oriented option with a 100% polyester Dobby shell treated with Thermalock WR plus WP 3000mm coating. The insulation is 85 grams of Thermatech, designed to deliver warmth without bulk, making these suitable for midwinter resort days and variable conditions. Features like a DWR finish, adjustable waist, boot zippers for easy on-off over boots, and boot gaiters with grippers contribute to practical daily wear. The pants also include 600 denier reinforced ankle, scuff, and hem guards, plus an O-ring for essentials, which signals a focus on durability and everyday use. Sizing options include short, regular, and tall inseams, accommodating a range of heights. In practice, these pants deliver reliable wind and water resistance with a flexible fit that remains comfortable during active movement. The Thermatech insulation keeps core warmth present without causing overheating during uphill climbs or intermittent rest breaks. The combination of 3000mm waterproofing and DWR help repel light snow and spray, while the reinforced cuffs protect against abrasion at the ankles during frequent boot transitions. The overall build quality and material choices strike a strong balance between price and performance, though the 85-gram insulation may feel marginal in very cold and high wind days without additional layering. The relaxed fit is forgiving, making them suitable for layering with fleece or mid-layer pants.
Product number 2. Amazon Essentials Men's Water-Resistant Insulated Snowboard Ski Snow Pant. The Amazon Essentials pant is positioned as an affordable, dependable all-rounder for men, focusing on consistent sizing and durability in everyday wear. The product description emphasizes water resistance, insulation, and practical design for a broad audience, aligning with Amazon's value-focused strategy. While the exact technical specs, insulation grams, or waterproofing rating are not detailed in the description, the emphasis on trust and sizing and quality control suggests a practical, no-nonsense garment aimed at budget-conscious skiers and riders. In use, this pant is designed to handle routine resort days with reliable weather protection and a straightforward fit. The lack of explicit insulation grams or waterproofing rating makes it harder to gauge performance in extreme cold or heavy snowfall, but the focus on consistency and everyday wear is appealing for casual skiers. Given the price point, expect solid basic performance with the potential trade-off and advanced features like reinforced hems or high-end fabric membranes. It's a sensible starter option for new skiers or those who seldom push into harsh conditions.
Product number 3. Benboy Men's Snow Ski Outdoor Waterproof Windproof Fleece Cargo Hiking Pants. Brand, Benboy. Benboy offers a budget-friendly fleece-lined soft-shell option with a 92% polyester and 8% spandex composition, combining water resistance, windproofing, and warmth with flexibility. The pants emphasize multi-pocket utility, a slim fit, adjustable waistband, and reinforced patchwork knees for durability. This model targets active winter activities like skiing, snowboarding, hiking, and mountaineering, promising warmth without bulk and good abrasion resistance at a compelling price of $27.99. In real-world use, the fabric blend provides a smooth mobility profile. Stretch from the spandex aids dynamic movement on the slopes. The fleece lining adds warmth for intermittent exertion, while the water repellent and windproof layers help manage light snow and gusts. With multiple pockets and belt compatibility, it functions well for day trips and backcountry excursions. However, as a budget option, users should manage expectations around long-term durability and seam reinforcement compared with premium waterproof shells. Layering remains essential for colder days. Product number 4. Arctic's Women's Essential Insulated Ski Bibs. Arctic's Essential Insulated Ski Bibs expand on the brand's durable, weather-ready approach by offering a bib-style design with insulation and water resistance. While details like insulation grams and shell material aren't enumerated in the snippet, bibs generally provide improved back panel warmth, higher overall coverage against the elements, and secure fit for aggressive activity. The product is positioned as a practical, warmth-forward option suitable for women who prioritize full upper leg protection and bib-style integrity in extreme weather. In practice, the bib's warmth and coverage excel in frigid mornings and deep powder days where back warmth and snow protection matter. The bib design helps prevent cold drafts at the waist and keeps bib suspenders from shifting during movement. Durability is reinforced by Arctic's branding around weather resistance and the emphasis on a maximum warmth profile. Sizing, layering compatibility, and boot compatibility will determine how well these bibs integrate with different boot types and base layers on the mountain. Product number 5. Yoga's Women's Insulated Softshell Pants. Waterproof, softshell insulated fleece-lined snowboard pants, hiking pants for winter outdoor. Yoga's women's insulated softshell pants aim to deliver a mid to high level of weather protection with a fleece-lined interior for warmth and a waterproof softshell exterior. Priced at $49.99, these pants sit at the premium end of this list, signaling a focus on overall weather protection, warmth, and comfort for winter outdoor activities, including skiing and snowboarding. The combination of insulation and a softshell waterproof outer layer positions these as a versatile option for cold, wet, and windy days. In use, these pants should offer effective protection against wind and moisture while maintaining good mobility due to the softshell construction. The fleece lining adds warmth during pauses or lower intensity activity, and the waterproof membrane helps maintain dryness in snow squalls. The fit, gusseted crotch, and articulated knees would typically contribute to improved movement on terrain, while seam sealing and zipper quality influence long-term durability. Given the higher price point, performance expectations include reliable insulation and a comfortable, secure fit for longer sessions on the mountain.